If you want to unforget your Bluetooth device on Android and reconnect any kind of device to your phone, here's how to do this, and watch it till the end because I'll share a very good life hack. So first of all, you ought to open up your settings. Great. Now choose your Bluetooth and make sure to turn it on. After that, we are to pair our device with your phone, right? So grab any kind of device, what it's gonna be watches, in my case it's gonna be headphones, so decide what you want to pair. And after that, we will need to put this device into pairing mode. It happens differently on many devices. On some you may hold some specific buttons, like on AirPods or some kind of smartwatches. In my case, you're simply to take off earbud, and as you see, it's flashing, so it means it's in the pairing mode. Let me leave them for now. So let's press restart, and here they are. So simply find them in the list of available devices. Now hold them and confirm your choice by pressing pair. Basically, that is it. We can see its battery, we can see that they're connected and they're active. So now that's it. Sometimes you may enter some kind of specific code or password for your pairing. It happens if you're using this watches, but it's very specific with some specific devices. So all of those life hacks are kind of situational. And basically, that is it. Now, simply make sure that it's connected, try it out if it's working properly. If it's working properly, well done. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.